I do psychedelic therapy with people who I have known very well in the past. And I see things I've never seen before. People just open themselves up. They got clarity inside of themselves. It is really by far the most exciting thing I've seen in my career as a psychiatrist.
There has been no innovation in treatments for nearly 50 years or more, and psychedelic-assisted therapies represent the most important step change in the treatment of mental illness for decades.
So many people in our society have trauma, have mental illness, or have friends or loved ones with mental illness. And the more we understand it, the more we can help these people.
People's relationship to themselves changed very dramatically. They developed a new relationship to themselves, a much more caring, compassionate, and engaged attitude to themselves. And it helped to put them back into the driver's seat of their life, basically.
Just a few years ago, psychedelics was still a really scary, forbidden word that nobody talked about. But there have been so many seeds of change about psychedelics that now, because of all the science that's happened, it's much more accepted as a possibility. It's much more accepted as a safe way to explore healing.
It's a deep mental, spiritual, I like to say sacred experience.
It's been a fantastic tour with Bessel, Kolk and Licia Sky. We've had 5 sellout workshops, and the audiences have been so thrilled and excited to meet Bessel and hear and learn from him. And it's also been wonderful to raise significant funds for Mind Medicine Australia's Patient Support Fund through this tour. So we're very grateful to everyone who's come along. We're deeply grateful to Bessel and Licia, and we just want to thank everyone for their belief in what we're doing.